the services have to improve. And if you digitize, it improves much quicker than
Yeah,
doing
kasi
it manually.
matandaan ko nga, isa sa mga pinakamalaking criticism sa Pilipinas, yung ease of doing business problematic, di ba?
Ease of doing business.
And with digitization, it's going to be a lot faster.
A lot faster. I mean, look at the investments going into the economic zones. The economic zones are parang on their own. They have their rules.
Yeah.
So they're able to bypass a lot of bureaucratic things. So it's much quicker. So in the zones, when foreign companies now want to invest, they go to the zones. And in the zones now, that's where a lot of the jobs are created because they understand and the rules are clear, right? You have this amount of years of tax-free. You have VAT-free for X years. Whatever it is, right? And so they're able to move faster and build their factories faster, employ people there.
Yeah, tsaka may mga malalaking tax break, yung mga... Yeah. So, actually, yung sinasuggest nyo kanina na improved infrastructure, na transport infrastructure, it goes hand in hand with creating jobs. Doon sa, halimbawa, pagbubuhat pa ng mga extra economic zones kasi madaling mag-fly in, fly out ang mga tao. Tama po.
Totally. If you go to Mactan, you notice everything around Mactan is an economic zone.
Tagal na ako dito pupunta ron.
The whole around Mactan.
Kwento mo naman sa amin.
The whole Mactan around it is an economic zone, right? That feeds into the airport where they ship out stuff. And so it works, right?
Actually, ano nga po medyo, ako personally, I've been, kasi po nakatira na po ako sa Europe for over a year now. And then, isa sa mga problema doon, aging population. And everybody was talking about, for example, passing topic po sa China, but China might get old before it gets rich. So ako as a Filipino, ngayon na mabababa pa ang median age ng Pinoy. 24 pa lang po yata tayo ngayon. Ang gusto ko sana, mabigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga Pinoy habang karamihan tayo bata pa, sa demographic sweet spot pa. Sa palagay niyo po ba, are we on track na ma-exploit yung pagka-vibrant, pagkabata ng ating populasyon? Or are we moving in too slow?
No, we're moving very fast. I mean, you're right, China. I mean, China, with the one-child policy that they had all those years, all of a sudden, they don't have people, right? So that's going to happen. We are going all over the world. We're, automatically, that's the nature that we are. So I think we're taking advantage of the situation. We have to make sure our education keeps up so that we can always keep up.